My smart investors, wait. I have to come back here at Bluestone Prime Shelter Estate because there is update. Yes, I came here about a month ago and you can see the juicy offer I brought. If you are just seeing this video for the first time, then you're welcome because this is a fantastic offer. And some of our investors are already investing here, so you don't want to be left out. So I am here to show you the updates of what we are doing here at Bluestone Prime Shelter Estate. So this is a fantastic one. Here we are at Mowe of Fada. This is sharing boundary with Ogun State, and here we have the redemption camp very close to the Lagos Ibadan Expressway. Here we have bungalow for sale and land that you can take advantage of. So if you have small children, you know you don't want them to fall from the staircase, this is a fantastic one for you. And if you are one that you're about to retire, or you've retired, or you want to get a home for your parents where they don't have to, stress themselves, with a good environment, a serene environment, with good amenities, good road network, perimeter fencing, everything that makes life comfortable, then this is a fantastic offer for you here at Mowe of Fada. You can key into this and get it as Carcass, or you get it as a finished one. The Carcass is selling for 8.5 million naira. You know what, when I say Carcass, you know what I mean. It is not going to be painted, it's not going to be tiled, and we are going to do just the door. That's for the Carcass. But for the finished, we are going to tile all the units. For the finished, we are going to tile all the units, all the rooms. It's all coming en suite. The Carcass is also coming en suite. Only that we are not going to plaster the outside, and we are not going to do the stamped floor. But for the finish, we'll be doing the stamped floor, the roofing. We are going to do all the windows. We are going to, tile all the rooms and the bathroom. All the sanitary wares will be provided, but it will not be furnished. So this is a fantastic one for you. The Carcass is going for 8.5 million naira. And the finish is going for 5.5 million naira. Initial deposit is 5 million, and you can spread your balance for 12 months. Yes, you can spread balance for 12 months. This has a fantastic title, which is C of O. This tells you that this is free from government acquisition, this is free from money wahala, and it's free from any encumbrances. So this is a fantastic one for you. Like I said, we also have landed property here. 500 square meters is selling for 15 million naira, and it's a promo price because the actual price is 20 million naira, and very soon we'll tell you that the promo is over. So it will be good if you can key into this right now at the promo price of 15 million naira. Initial deposit is 1 million, and you can spread the balance for 12 months. So this is a fantastic one for you. You don't want to miss out of this. This is a juicy offer. This is a good one. You don't want to miss out. And if you are wondering, okay, you are staying abroad, but you would like to come home by December to have your family around, have a family party, this is a good location for you to just get this bungalow, and your family, they can come around and everyone will have a nice time. So this is a good location. This is a fantastic one. Like I said, this is good for family. If you want to raise your children, this is a good one. For people that have retired and you just want somewhere very serene, somewhere quiet, where you can have peace of mind. Yes, because what we give you is peace of mind. There's no hassle here. And I'm telling you, when you key into this, immediately after your payment, you get allocated. Within 7 days, you get your key. So we are not even waiting for investors to bring their money to build. You can see the buildings that are going on right now. Work is going on massively, and we are not waiting from the gate out. You see, very soon the roads are going to be interlocked and everything is going to be put together. There's electricity in the estate, there's water in the estate. People are living here already. So if you look around, you can see that a lot of buildings are here and people are staying here. So this is very habitable, very, very habitable. This is an estate. Inside an estate, you get 24/7 security, 24/7 power supply. You get a lot that's portable water, good drainage system. These are things that we are going to ensure that we provide for you. I will be taking into our sample units, our 3-bedroom bungalow, so you can see what the space and the finishing look like. The last time I came, the sample units I showed wasn't finished yet. In fact, we haven't painted it, but today that I am here to show you that work has been in progress. We are not sleeping on this. We are not going to fail you on our promises. So this is the right time for you to key into this. While it's still selling at this price, like I said, the Carcass is selling for 8.5 million naira, and the finished is selling for 5.5 million naira. Initial deposit is 5 million, and you can spread balance for 12 months. Let's go in and take a view of what we have in our 3-bedroom bungalow. So let's go. gotten a view of our 3-bedroom bungalow, and you can see that it is very, very spacious. Look at the parking space. The parking space, this can park 2 cars conveniently, if not 3. So this is sitting on over 300 square meters of land, so you have enough space. If you want to include swimming pool, a carport to beautify your home, you can do that. This is a perfect one for you. Our 3-bedroom bungalow is just the perfect buy for you. So you can see the finishing, that this is a fantastic one. Like I said, it's sitting on over 300 square meters of land. There is enough space for you to play around with. You can beautify your home the way you want and twerk it a little bit. So this is a fantastic one. This is the right time for you to key into this beautiful 3-bedroom bungalow. Like I said, this is still going for 15.5 million naira for the finished, while if you are keying into the Carcass, you'll be getting it for 8.5 million naira. But those prices won't stay like this forever. So the right time for you to key into this is right now that you see this video. Our number is displayed on the screen. I want you to call us right away so we can get you started on owning this. Like I said, it's instant allocation. Immediately you finish your payments, you get your key within 7 days. So this is a good one. This is an habitable place. This is inside an estate. This is Bluestone Shelter Prime Estate. So you don't want to miss out on this fantastic offer. Before you know it, all the buildings that we have on ground will be getting sold out because people are rushing this. A lot of people are keen into bungalows here, so you don't want to be left out. So call our number shown on the screen right away and let's get you started. My name remains Ayomide from Salesville Properties, and if you are coming across our channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe, turn on your bell notification, or if you have been on this channel before but you haven't subscribed, it's high time you do so. So subscribe today, turn on your bell notification so that you get juicy offers. Immediately we drop them, you get to see it first, so you don't miss out on all the information that we bring here to this channel. So call our number and let's get you started on owning this beautiful bungalow. This is a 3-bedroom bungalow here in Ofada. This is Mowe Ofada, so you don't want to miss out on this. So call the number shown on your screen and let's get it started. Thank you for watching those videos and God bless you. See you, we meet again. Bye.